Hey everybody, it's Bunny, and today's video is gonna be silly and fun and random, and it's something I've wanted to do for a very long time. So today we're gonna be bathing a small creature, hatching a creature, if you will. I don't know if I've ever done a video for one of these things. If I did, it would have probably been on banana peppers years ago. I honestly forgot. Oh my god, ScruffaLoves. That's what these things are called here in the States. But I guess in Japan, they're called "Who are you?" Anyway, here in the States, I feel like ScruffaLoves have been very popular. When you unbox these things, you literally get a furry ball. Like, you don't know what it's gonna be until you bathe it, comb it, blow dry it, style it, and all of those good things. But I know they're popular here in the States because there's so many different like versions of them. I think it kind of started off like with normal animals like rabbits and cats and dogs. But now it's like so popular. There's like twins and mermaids and mermaid twins and all kinds of like creatures that you can hatch. But I saw that there was this version which is a Japanese exclusive, and it is like the mashup of the century. ScruffaLoves, Sega. I didn't even know Sega makes these. Moose Toys, which is like the creator of Shopkins, Little Live Pets, and Sanrio. I feel like this is like an Avengers movie. Today, we are gonna hatch one of 3 adorable plushie options. You can either get Hello Kitty, My Melody, or Cinnamon Roll, which I feel like Cinnamon Roll is like more of a rare character, so pretty excited to see. I think it's a he. I think Cinnamon Roll is a boy. I don't know. I could be wrong. I think it's also a dog. But then again, Hello Kitty is a human child. So all kinds of magical and strange things happen in the Sanrio universe. So let's go ahead and pull the pull tab and see who or what is it gonna look like in there. Let's rip it. Oh, there we go. Satisfying. I mean, I guess Cinnamon Roll would maybe be more solid white, and both Hello Kitty and My Melody would be like relatively pink and white looking. Can you guys tell who we got already? So, like I told you guys, this is what this looks like. Just a ball of matted fur. And I have a special bathtub down here, so we're about to do the whole process. You also get this comb, but honestly, I have like a better comb that I think will make the plush fluffier, but you do get this adorable heart-shaped comb. And it looks like we also get a little name tag and a collar, or maybe this is supposed to be like a necklace. Look, I'll go ahead and assemble it so you guys can see if I can get it to fit. So this is gonna be the little necklace. So cute. I'm gonna set up a different camera angle for us, and we are gonna get to bathing our mysterious creature. I'm filming on the iPhone, 2012 style. So I'm ready to splash our little buddy in, and I think I know who it is. I feel like this one is maybe a little bit obvious, but I don't know. We might maybe be surprised. Let's drop it in. All right. And I have this like funky little bathtub thing. This belongs to Avatar, baby. So I'm gonna try and go like that. And I'm just spraying it away from me. Maybe I'm supposed to like submerge it. Ew. Oh. This feels like a surprising texture down here. Ugh. All right. Wake up down there. I feel like I'm doing like CPR. Ah! Maybe we can try the little faucet. That is not effective. Okay. Oh my gosh. Wait, was I wrong? Okay. You guys, I know how silly this video is. Ah! Okay, let's just go like that. Oh, was I right? Was I right? Oh my God, adorable. It's so adorable. Okay. Actually, like much more effective to just like go like that. Doesn't that look cute? Fun for the whole family. Just give it a good dunk. Now it is like soaking wet, so maybe I was not meant to do that. It still feels like it has like, I don't know how to describe it. I guess it's like if you sew and you like buy new fabric on a bolt and sometimes it feels like really rough or really stiff. That's called sizing. That's what it kind of feels like right now. Like it doesn't feel super soft. So let's see, I'm gonna try and like wring it out. You're gonna be all right, little buddy. This is like soaking wet. I feel like I'm like wringing it out right now. Look at how much water is coming out. Can you guys see that? Oh, I'm kind of shocked Kuromi wasn't a choice. They should have done one that's like a set of like twins and you could get My Melody and Kuromi together. I'm excited to see how fluffy it's gonna look once we brush it, dry it. Oh my God, you guys. It's too cute. I don't know what this like thing is. What is that? By the way, if I didn't say, I did get this from Amazon Japan. Where all good things come from. Okay, I think I have like wrung out as much water as I can. So goodbye, special guest avatar baby bathtub. Hello, plain white towel. Oh my God, we have some fur foliage outage. So now I'm going to go like this. You guys, I'm in neither camera angle right now. Neither one is the one I'm in. But I'm trying to just like soak up the water, I guess. Now I'm gonna be using a brand new fancy hair dryer. Look at that. I haven't even used this one on my human hair yet. So now I'm gonna do a time lapse on this camera of the drying process. So if I had to guess, I think I probably just spent like 25 minutes or so brushing and combing and blow drying our fluffy little friend. And you guys, this honestly, it was like super de-stressing. I'm not sure how good of a video this has been because for whatever reason, I thought that there was more steps to this thing than there was, but it does take quite a bit of effort. We had a lot of shedding and one power outage during the filming of this. Oh my God, there's still like little fluffies floating in the air. Can you guys like see some of them? Ah! I just caught one. Make a wish. Like honestly, she's still a little bit damp, but you know what? Those glasses are going right back on. Ah! You guys, too many fluffies. Anyway, she is still just a little bit damp, but I'm sure you guys will see in the time-lapse footage the power blew because I guess having 3 lamps and my phone plugged in and a hairdryer going on max speed was a little bit too much electricity at one place at one time. So yeah, I'm gonna definitely continue blow drying her, but like mainly the ear, which they have one ear tacked down, which is pretty cute, but this is still pretty damp and her little feet are still pretty damp. But if you really want to like make them super fluffy, I would advise just getting a cheap comb like this. Like this honestly came for free, I think, with like a wig that I got on Yes Style. But I feel like they have these at like the Dollar Tree and everything because there were lots of places of the fur that was like actually still stuck. Like I'm not sure what they put in the fur to like make them that little ball like that and kind of have all the fur matted. Oh my God, you guys, just look at all. You do kind of have to be careful because the fur like does kind of come out. What is the camera focusing on? Anyway, I feel like some of the fur is like really matted down. And so if you don't have maybe like a comb like this that has like the metal prongs, I don't know if you're gonna make it be able to make it look as fluffy as this one. But these little plushes are so cute. Like they're floppy, they're poofy, like they just look adorable. Now the only thing I will say is I feel like particularly with this character, since she's kind of like top heavy, you know, I feel like they could put just a little bit more stuffing, because I'm sure you guys can see, and it's probably just honestly from them being like in this ball shape as well. But I feel like if I just like opened up a seam right here and put more stuffing in, like especially also like the face area, like this side is really like full of stuffing. I'm trying to like shift it around, but I just feel like there's maybe not enough. But I feel like if we added a little bit more stuffing to the head and to the neck, then she would be even puffier, even cuter. But this was adorable. If you kind of just need something that is not really like a craft or a DIY or anything that you need to focus like too specifically on, but you just want something that's like satisfying and soothing and oddly satisfying and just like something to concentrate on, do with your hands, this is a good little project. So like I was saying at the beginning of the video, you can get, you know, all the normal like types of animals here in the States really easy. I think they have them on like Amazon, Target, Walmart, all kinds of good stuff like that. But the Sanrio characters, I think the only place that you can get it is Amazon Japan. Now they had another kit which I almost got as well. They also have a Pokemon version of this, but the only character you can get is Pikachu, so I just kind of felt like maybe that wouldn't be like as exciting, dare I say exciting, of a video, because there would be like no mystery there. I think the only difference is there's like 3 slightly different facial expressions that Pikachu can have, but that is also a like Amazon Japan exclusive. I feel like it was around like 20 something dollars plus around like $10 shipping. So far Amazon Japan is like the least expensive place I've found where I can like buy products directly from Japan and get them here, but shipping is still like pricier than obviously like if you can get it like just regular Amazon Prime and not pay for shipping at all. Anyway, you guys, let me know all of your thoughts and opinions on this cute little buddy in the comments down below. What are these things called again? ScruffaLoves. ScruffaLoves. What is Little Live? I feel like that was like something else entirely different. But anyway, let me know all of you guys' thoughts and opinions in the comments down below. And thank you guys so much for hanging out today and for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Swamp family, and give an alligator its wings. I love you guys so much, and I will be back again very, very soon. Bye!